Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers effortless seasoning with modern convenience. These grinders feature a unique gravity-activated design that starts grinding automatically when tilted. The adjustable ceramic grinder allows you to customize the coarseness for precise seasoning. With a sleek, ergonomic design, they're easy to handle and perfect for any kitchen or dining table. LED lights at the base illuminate your food as you season, ensuring accuracy even in dim lighting. The durable, rust-proof construction ensures long-lasting performance. Each grinder is powered by batteries, eliminating the need for manual effort. The large capacity compartments are easy to refill and suitable for various spices. Stylish and functional, they add a touch of elegance to your culinary experience. Upgrade your seasoning game with the AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Electric Wine Opener. The Kokunst Electric Wine Opener is a remarkable addition to any wine enthusiast's collection, seamlessly blending style and functionality. Crafted from durable plastic, this opener showcases a sleek space gray finish, complemented by stainless steel accents, making it an attractive piece for any kitchen or dining setting. With dimensions of 2 into 3 into 9 inches and a weight of just 14.4 ounces, it boasts a compact and lightweight design that is easy to handle and store. The electric mechanism simplifies the process of uncorking wine bottles, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy your favorite vintages without the hassle of traditional corkscrews. This is especially convenient for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. The Kokunst Electric Wine Opener is part of a 4-in-1 set that includes a base, providing a complete solution for wine lovers. This thoughtful design element not only keeps the opener organized, but also adds to the overall aesthetic of your barware collection. With a remarkable average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars from 17 ratings, it's evident that users are highly satisfied with its performance and reliability. Electric Hot Pot. The Nikai Kitchen Electric Hot Pot is an excellent addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen, offering a versatile cooking solution for various dishes. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, this sleek and elegant cooker is ideal for individuals or small families. Its gold cover not only adds a touch of elegance, but also integrates well with most kitchen aesthetics. One of the standout features of this electric hot pot is its ease of use. The simple controls allow users to adjust the temperature to suit various cooking methods, whether steaming vegetables, preparing broth for hot pot, or simmering other delicious dishes. It effectively retains heat, ensuring your meals are cooked thoroughly and efficiently. Weighing in at just 1.15 kilograms, approximately 2.52 pounds, the hot pot is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for stovetop cooking or serving directly at the dining table. The compact dimensions of 16.06 by 8.6 by 5.98 inches ensure that it fits comfortably in any kitchen space without taking up too much room. Elite Gourmet Toaster. The Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster combines functionality and style for your kitchen. Its extra long slots are designed to accommodate a variety of bread sizes, from standard slices to artisan and specialty loaves. With 6 adjustable browning levels, you can achieve the perfect toast every time. The toaster features a reheat, defrost, and cancel function for versatile toasting options. Its stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch to any countertop. The built-in warming rack is perfect for heating pastries or keeping toast warm. A convenient slide-out crumb tray ensures easy cleanup after use. The Cool Touch exterior enhances safety during operation. Compact yet efficient, it's ideal for busy mornings or family breakfasts. Enjoy perfectly toasted bread with the Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster. Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. The Elite Gourmet EDB 302 BF TAF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a versatile and efficient solution for cooking in small spaces. Featuring 2 cast iron plates, it provides even and consistent heat for all types of cookware. The dual adjustable temperature controls allow you to customize the heat for each burner, perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for dorms, offices, or RVs. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability, while the durable construction supports heavy pots and pans. The power indicator lights provide safety and ease of use. Its sleek black finish blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Easy to clean and maintain, the burners are designed for hassle-free operation. Whether boiling, frying, or simmering, it delivers reliable performance every time. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner.